Hey everyone, let me show you how I make flavorful roasted chicken using simple ingredients from my pantry. First, you want to start by injecting your bird with chicken broth and melted butter. This ensures that your chicken comes out nice, juicy, and flavorful. Make sure to saturate the breast. Try to get your syringe into every angle. Okay, now you want to loosen the skin on the breast so that you can spread your softened butter underneath. But wait, we're not stopping there. With the remaining butter, we're going to smear it all over the bird, giving it a good massage. You want to massage the top, sides, even the bottom. This also ensures that your skin comes out crispy and flavorful. With all of the same seasonings pictured from before, sprinkle them generously all over, including the inside of the cavity. You can find the correct measurement in the description below. Also, if you have the time, please allow the bird to sit and marinate for at least an hour. If not, don't fret, that's fine. That's where the chicken broth and butter come into play. You can use this time to assist the kiddos with homework or fold that laundry that's sitting in the dryer. Pour your remaining chicken broth in the bottom of your roasting pan. Now that we've allowed the bird to sit and become one with the seasoning, let's go ahead and stuff the cavity. Today I'm using onions. You can use whatever you have, such as lemons, apples, oranges, and even herbs. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Hey Jordan. Okay, let's put it in the oven. We're going to cook our chicken for an hour and a half or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. So here I'm pairing this dish with my herb roasted potatoes. All that is needed is olive oil, some seasoning, and herbs. You can find the correct measurement in the description below. And here is the final product. This meal was so simple to make with ingredients I had right in the pantry. The chicken was flavorful and juicy. The potatoes were seasoned to perfection. I'm not a chef. I just play one on TV. Just kidding. I'm a stay-at-home mom who loves to cook delicious meals for her family. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.